Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Captcha verification bot in Discord. So first, what you want to do is search for Captcha bot. So as you can see, go on this one, and here you'll be redirected to your Discord, and just click on join Captcha Captcha.bot, and you'll just go here. Once you're done with that, you can now invite the Captcha bot to your Discord by just clicking on the Captcha bot here and click on add app. So as you can see, just select the server that you want to add the bot into. Click on authorize. The reason why the website was blocked, since I think my extension here didn't recognize it, so it's just that. After that, as you can see, the bot is now here, and you can search for the website actually. Captcha.bot. And here's the server. And now you just need to go and log in. So after you've logged in, first is go to your server here. So I'm here on my server now. What you want to do is go to your server settings right here and go to roles. And once you're there, you need to create a role. But check your permissions here first for everyone. So anyone who joins the server will be able to access whatever you turn on here. So as you can see, so everyone cannot send messages, only verified members can send. So you can just disable all of these. What they can do is they can invite, change the nickname, and view channels. Let's see what more to add. So they can disable this first, connect speak video. They need to be verified first so that your server will be more protected. So they can read message history, that's good. So after you're done with that, go back and now create a role for verified members. So let's say verified members, just like so. Click on save changes. You could also change the colors. And so as you can see, I can change the colors right there. So let's go for green and turn this on, the display role members separately from online members. Save changes, and now go back. And now go back to the website. So just go back to this website, wait for it to load again, and now click on configure here. Once you're there, go to verification right there. As you can see, the verification channel is where users can start or restart the verification process. So now we need to do a verification channel. So as you can see, we go here and right click on any space there, and need to create a category first. So let's name category verified, just like so. Make it a private category, and where verified members can go, just like so. Verified members, just like that. And add a channel. Let's name this verify here. So text, make it a private channel also. Oh wait, don't make it a private channel. Make it a, so let's just add it. This for everyone who just join the server. So make other channels like this one. So as you can see, make this the private channel and add members, the verified members. So you can see there. and just save changes. And here also on general, or I mean on the voice channel, click on edit, make it private, just like so. There, and click on save changes again. And here on verified, so let's just edit permissions, make it public, as well as here. So as you can see, let's just sync the permissions. After that, you can go to the website and check, and just select one. So verification channel is where the process goes. So as you can see, here's a verification channel, verification location. Users verification will take place in your service. On commands, or users will DM on join or prompt or unverify the verification channel if their DMs are closed. We can go with this one. So let's click on save. And verified row. So it's still finding the verified or unverified row. So we've already done that in the user settings here. So as you can see, there is a verified row right here. So let's just fix the permissions so they can view channels. Change nickname, create invite, so they could also send messages, just like so, attach files. So it's up to you, it's up to preference what you want to add. So just go with it. So these are my recommendations though. It's pretty good. The connect, speak, video, use activity, soundboard. And just click on save changes, just like so. And wait for a minute. Okay. Go back to the website, try to reload it. We're gonna verify here. There. Save. Could do an image, but it's a premium feature. The rows, now add the row here. And here's the verified members. Select, let's add rows, save changes. As you can see, there's nothing there already since I added the row. After that, that's done, guys. You can now try if it works. So go click on post a message here. As you can see, there's a message that will pop up on a verification channel. Just click on verify here so that you can be added as a verified member. So as you can see, I have no rows here. If I click on verify, I'm gonna go here. As you can see, I can go verify here by doing this and click holding the button here. And boom, you've been verified. You can now go to Discord. And as you can see, I'm now a verified member. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.